Today we're going to start with our order of operations review. So the first thing to remember is, I'm not going to say the first thing. So the number one thing to remember is that these rules, we have to follow them. So they're the order must be followed to get the correct answer. So you might have heard of this before. We usually over here call it BEDMAS. B standing for bracket, E standing for exponents, division and multiplication, and addition and subtraction. The bracket stuff is kind of important in the fact that you do everything in here first. Let's say this. In brackets first. And then down here we have the special section here, and this is in order. From left to right. And this is mainly important when you have like a bunch of multiplication happening at the same time. So I'll do a quick little example here. So if we had 2 times 3 divided by 3 times 6. Some people might say, and do this bit first at the same time as doing this. Don't do that. What we're going to do is we are going to make sure that we do one set of operations at a time. So this would be 6 divided by 3 times 6. And 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 6 to give us 12. And let's do an addition subtraction example. So this could be 4 plus 2 minus 6 plus 8 minus 1. So again, one step at a time. So 6 minus 6 plus 8 minus 1 give us 0 plus 8 minus 1 to give us 7. Step by step, there's no need to rush order of operations stuff because we really don't want to get it wrong. We want to make sure that we're doing it right. Let's do a couple more examples. These ones will be fully fleshed out examples, not these mini ones. So example, let's go 4 to the power of 2 times 2 plus 6 minus 3. So we'll start with exponents first because there's no brackets. 4 to the power of 2 is 16 times 2 plus 6 minus 3. Then multiplication, which is 32 plus 6 minus 3. And that is 38 minus 3, which gives us 35. So it's really good to do it step by step, and you can kind of see we get this nice little V that happens here as we go through. And that's always good, makes it really easy to follow. Let's do a little bit more of a complex example. So let me extend my page here just a bit. Let's go 5, 2 plus 3 minus 6 times 4 divided by 2. So the first thing that we have to do here is we have to do everything that's in the brackets. So this is 5 minus 6. So that leaves us with 5 multiplied by -1 multiplied by 4 divided by 2, we isolate. -5 times 4 divided by 2. -20 divided by 2, which gives us -10. Not so bad. I'm going to block this off. We're going to do another one here. We are going to go 15 minus 4 plus 5. Oh, geez. Plus 5 divided by 5 minus 2 times 3 squared. So 15 minus 4 gives me 11 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 2 times 3 all squared. 16. 15 minus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. Oh, I see I've made a mistake. Let's go back. So what did I do wrong? I did my addition first. The first thing that we need to do here is our division and our multiplication. So this should be 15 minus 4 plus 1 minus 6, because this is -2 multiplied by 3 squared. Now we go left to right. This makes more sense. So 11 plus 1 minus 6 squared. So 12 minus 6 gives us 6 squared to give us 36. And I kind of knew that question wasn't working when I was looking at the bit here where this part wasn't working out very nicely. Not that like that, like right here. And I was getting like an off number. So it's good to just kind of think of like, oh, that number doesn't really make sense, so let's kind of change it. I think I can do one more. I don't want to keep you guys for too long watching a video. So let's do this one. This will be 5 plus bracket 6 squared divided by 2 bracket 5 minus 2 plus 3 bracket. So I'm going to deal with the innermost brackets first. So 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 3, so this gives me a 6. 5 plus 6 squared is 36, divided by 2 times 6, because we got to get rid of the brackets, is 12. 5 plus 36 divided by 12 is 3, give us 8. So again, break it down step by step. So I did here first. This is kind of my math right here. And then I distributed the 2 in once everything was done. Some people might say, okay, I'm going to go 36 divided by 2. So this is what you might be thinking. And then you would be left with 18 times 6. But that's not going to give us the right solution. You need to make sure to resolve the bracket situation first in order to get the correct answers. All right, so that should be a good review of not just integer math, but also multiplication, some exponent stuff. Make sure to do your IXL if you have any questions and to submit the worksheet.